How to join Budget Fastbreak free membership. Budget Fastbreak helps us skip the line at budget rental locations and save time. So if you do not join, we could face long wait times at the counter. So let's sign up for the free membership step by step. So we open up a browser for that and we can go to Budget Fastbreak, which is this one right here. So you can head over to www.budget.com and click on that particular link. And once we are headed over there, this is the particular interface we'll be finding. Now we can directly click on the sign up. We can find and click on this option called join now or sign up for free. Tap on it. And once we do so, we need to enter up our personal information. So here we need to start by providing in our country our first name as it appears on our driver's license. Provide it up and even your last name as well according to your government ID. And once you do so, provide in your phone number as well, which is very necessary. So just go and provide it up and even your email address, and we can use email address as our username. Once it is done, we also need to provide in a password. So go ahead with the process and set up a secure password. You can confirm the password and accept the terms and conditions. Once it is done, you can just go and click on this option called save, and you may receive a confirmation email. You can open it up and verify your account. Once registered, you can log in at budget.com or the budget application, and your account is ready to skip the lines and speed up the rentals. You can keep up your login info very safe, and that's how we have successfully joined the Budget Fastbreak free membership very easily. So we hope this video was helpful to you, and sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.